There are many ways to get gold coins in car parking, from literally just buying gold coins all the way to getting literal hundreds of thousands from selling cars on the world sale. There are countless options. So that's why in this video, I came up with the 4 main ways to get gold coins. And I'm going to test them all to see which one really makes you the most. And to make things more interesting, I'm going to be giving away all the gold coins I make in this video to you guys. But more on that later. Quickly before we begin, I'd like to give a shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, then subscribe, like the video, and comment shout out. Okay, so the first and probably the most obvious way of getting gold coins is literally just buying them. But here's the thing, I would never recommend just buying gold coins. I think it's a big waste of money just to buy gold coins. But here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to buy the cheapest package, which is 100 coins at $2.5 US. All right, next up, we got daily tasks in Car Parking Multiplayer. There are 3 tasks each day that you can complete to earn some gold coins. It's also another pretty great way to make gold coins, since most of the time you have to do easy tasks. For the first task, we have to wash the car at the car wash 3 times for 10 gold coins. Then for the second task, we have to repair the car 20 times for 15 gold coins. The easiest way to complete this task is by coming around the mechanic shop and revisiting the mechanic without actually damaging your car. And now for the last task, we have to sit in another player's car for 10 kilometers. Now that we've done all the tasks, in total we made 50 coins, which brings our total balance to 150 coins. Low-key, I wouldn't really recommend doing tasks unless you're like a new player or need coins really quick for body kits or clothes, etc. Next up, and probably the best way to get gold coins, is creating designs to sell at the world sale. But before we do this, I'd like to talk about today's sponsor. Static Shift Racing is one of the best mobile open-world street racing experiences. A big focus of the game is deep vehicle customization. You can tweak performance parts, change body kits, paint jobs, rims, and more. I've personally been playing this game a lot and really enjoy drifting the GTR R34. And if you guys love playing car parking multiplayer, you should definitely check out SSR or give it a try. You can download the game on Google Play Store using the link on this video's description, and you can also download it on the iOS App Store by searching it up. Thank you so much Timbo Jimbo for sponsoring this video. Okay boys, now back to the world sale. The car that we'll buy, design, then sell is this Mazda Miata. One of the main reasons I'm going with this car is because it's cheap, rare, and convertible. The design that we're going to make is the Lucky Strike Racing livery. It doesn't cost a lot, very easy to make, and looks pretty good. We'll start by placing these multicolored arc vinyls on the side of the car as if we're making an upside-down rainbow. Then we're going to copy, paste, then rotate them by the rear wheels. Now basically we want to fix the colors and make sure that they match the first combo. Now we're basically going to add a circle in between our 2 patterns. And inside the circle we're going to add more circles, which consist of all the colors that are in our arcs. Now we want to change our car color to white, then copy the entire thing to the other side. Okay boys, I spent a couple more minutes finishing the car, doing some final touches, and this is what it now looks like. All I did was add some text, new rims, fixed the suspension, added a license plate, and made the windows and car mirrors black. In total, this design only has 52 vinyls, and it costs less than $200,000 to make it. All right, now that everything's done, let's go ahead and list this car on the world sale. Car doesn't meet the requirements. What this basically means, boys, is that we don't have enough vinyls on the car. So we're just going to quickly add random vinyls that match the base color so they aren't visible. Then we'll try to list it again. I think that's about it. Let's get this car listed. For the description, let's just write rare 1 of 1 livery, and we'll list it for 1,000 gold coins. Now we just gotta wait for it to get approved, and then we should be good. We'll check back a bit later and see if anyone will buy it. By the way, boys, before we move on to number 4, if you're still watching, make sure to comment W, so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
And last but not least, at number 4, we've got hacking and modding gold coins. Normally I'd do this, but since it's against the game's terms of service and risks getting the video taken down, we won't do it. And it's also risks getting your in-game account blacklisted. But aside from that, there's a ton of players who have hundreds of thousands of gold coins from doing this using softwares and APKs like Game Guardian, etc. Okay, and with that, that's all 4 ways tested. But we still need to check on our world sale car. Okay, so I can't seem to find the car in the garage. and we now have 1,150 gold coins, so I'm guessing someone bought the car whilst I was offline touching some grass. After testing all the legitimate methods of making gold coins in CPM, we made a grand total of 1,150 gold coins. That's not bad, honestly, and I would say the best way to make gold coins is creating designs to sell at the world sale. But there you have it. We made 1,150 gold coins. And if you want to get some of this gold coins, just leave a comment down below. I'll be giving a couple of you guys some cars that cost up to 5,000 gold coins. Thanks for watching. Make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe. Stay sexy, boys. Peace.